Martian, ha uavasach ma a virash nur kujach. Now Gaelic is thriving in the media. We have our own radio station, BBC Radio and Gael, our own TV channel, BBC Alpa, and Gaelic is thriving across all social media platforms. Now, especially popular are our Gaelic children's programmes. We have our own versions of CBeebies and CBBC, and you can even watch Gaelic versions of many popular cartoons. Now, you might have heard of Peppa Pig, but have you ever watched Peppa Mook?
Smisha Peppa. Sean mo vraher Jorsa. Is Sean Mammy Mook? I saw Daddy Mook. Peppa.
Gaelic is also especially popular across on YouTube, where you can game in Gaelic, watch music videos, and even learn a bit of the language at the same time. As well as on social media, there are hundreds of websites where you can find out a bit more about Gaelic language, its history, and work out how you can use it in your own daily lives. Now, why not check them out and let us know what you've learned over on your social media using the hashtag Seachtain na Gaelic. We would love to hear what you found. Cheerin Drasta!